We believe that the future could be better than the past, better in its sound, in its playability, and it could seamlessly integrate into people's lives. This belief drove us to create the Love-A-Me 2. Super Air Sonic is an all-new carbon fiber material we've developed for the soundboard. It has the same weight as the Air Sonic, but 20% stronger. It brings a new level of clarity to the Love-A-Me 2. The all-new BridgeNet honeycomb structure completely changed the way we design the guitar soundboard. By using the strongest and most efficient mechanic structure, combined with the acoustic simulation design, it gives the Love-A-Me 2 a durable soundboard and 15% lighter than the last generation. Love-A-Me 2 now produces an even wider, louder sound. Our new neck system includes every single component from the neck to the fretboard. It uses the parametric design and plaque technology to let you have the effortless playing experience on every position of the neck. We call it fly neck. The geometry shape of the fly neck was designed by tracking the different forces of moving positions while people are playing. When a guitar goes into the plaque machine, the machine scans and polishes every single fret with the accuracy up to 0.01 mm. Fly neck also contains a new internal structure, which makes it 3 times stronger than the previous generation. Your Love-A-Me is now not just easier to play, but also has a longer lasting durability. On its side, the L2 pickups enables new experiences. With the free boost technology, you can now produce effects like reverb, delay, and chorus without plugging into the amp. Your performance now could be more colorful and enjoyable. The Love-A-Me 2 has so many new technologies while it's so light and portable. It is not only the best work we've ever created, it marks a milestone on the evolution of the Love-A-Me.
Pra mim não é qualquer notícia que abala o coração. Eu quero ver você mandar uma razão. Pra mim não é qualquer notícia que abala o coração. Se toda hora é hora de decisão, eu falo agora. No fundo, juro, fundo, fato consumado e vou-me embora. Não quero mais demais a mais aprofundar nessa história. Arreios, vezes, anseios, perdoem no vivo de memória. Eu quero é viver em paz, por favor me deixa a boca. Beautiful. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Hi, my name is Adriel. 大家好，我是安德尔. I'm here to show you guys and talk a little bit about this guitar, which I just fell in love with. Brooke. Or you can call it Brooke, but you're not that broke, so call it Brooke. Well, what can I say about this guitar? I was playing some harmonics, no? Can you hear it? Beautiful. Sounds beautiful. The arms of this guitar is just... I mean, it feels good in my hand. It's probably going to feel good at your hand also. So, just hear this. Doesn't get cleaner than this. Really clean. To do rhythms, the tone is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. The body, as you can see, is shaped pretty beautiful. The color also. Just don't fall in love with it. To play a percussive style also is really good. Like if you do something like. The body feels nice. The mood. Yeah, beautiful. Just beautiful. You should definitely get one Brooke for yourself. I'm getting one.坚强，寂寞筑成一道围墙。